Welcome back to another instructional video. Today we're going to look at Lesson 10, the distributive property. Now when you think about the word distribute or distributive, it just means to sort of pass something out or give something out. For instance, when you take an assessment question, you can't have the assessment until I distribute them, and that's when I pass them out to you. Okay? I'm just going to put on some background music by student request. This one goes out to Madeline. Okay, so we're going to take a look right now at 200 times 32 and 6/10. Okay, now we can solve this using traditional algorithm, or some of us call it the dinosaur way, the old-fashioned way of doing it. But I want to take a look at what does it look like when you distribute these products, when you find partial products, okay? So here's what we're going to look at. I don't know what the stanky leg is, so if someone can show me that in class tomorrow, I would greatly appreciate it. That way I can be a hit at the next school dance. Thank you. All right, so we're going to look at 200 is what we're multiplying, okay? We're multiplying that by 32 and 6/10. So we're just going to kind of split it out. This first part is 200 times 30. Okay. The second part is also 200 times 2, or 2 ones. Okay. The last part is, once again, 200 times 0.6 or 6/10. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually just going to find what each piece of this equals and then add our products together at the end. So if we look at this, we know that 200 times 30 is, what the trick is, if you know what 2 times 3 is, it's 6, and then you need 3 zeros in your answer. Okay, so we've got 6,000 there. Plus, I'm going to bring the addition symbol down, plus whatever 200 times 2 is, and I know you all know that. Okay? I'm going to bring my addition symbol down. Last part is going to be 200 times 6/10. The trick of that is, whatever 2 times 6 is, which is 12, okay, you can write that down. I need 2 zeros in my answer. However, I need 1 decimal place in my answer, which means I move 1 decimal place from the last number. So I'm going to actually imagine, I'm just going to kind of put my pencil there, or marker there in this case, and I'm going to move it over 1 place. So I know that the answer is 120. Okay? When I'm done, I can just add them together straight across. You'll see this example on the first page of Lesson 10. And I can just add right in my head now. I can do, let's see, 6,520. And that is the product or the answer to 200 times 32 at 6/10.